Ready, Freddy? What's up? We're back. I'm not ready. I gotta change.
You
Good. We're back in the kitchen. What's up? Today we're making an American classic, but we're gonna adultize it a little bit. We're making tomato soup and grilled cheese, but we're gonna make it delicious. Kids will enjoy it, adults will enjoy it, everyone will enjoy it. So we're just gonna start. Just gonna take all of our tomatoes here, and you're just gonna give it a nice chop in half. A little bit of olive oil, and you're just gonna drizzle it over the tomatoes. You're gonna take your salt, boom, 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 and you're just gonna stick this in the oven at 375 for, I don't know, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, until the skin gets all wrinkly and the liquidy is all bubbly in the middle. So next, we're gonna prepare the onions and the garlic. So we're gonna take the onions. Now we have the garlic. Just like that. So we have basil here. It smells so good. As soon as those tomatoes are done, we're gonna blend it all together, make a nice puree. We got our tomatoes, they're nice and boiling, they're bubbling. Let's do this, we'll see. We're gonna do this. Boom. Take some of your onions and your garlic, and we're gonna throw those right in there. Awesome, that's looking good now. So we're just gonna add it to your saucepan. Medium heat. So we're gonna take a half cup of coconut milk. So when I was making this, I forgot how much of the bone broth I used. I'm thinking it's like about a cup and a half, so we're gonna use our eye here. We're gonna give that a stir. Excellent. Please feel free to add more basil. Let's make some delicious, fancy grilled cheese. Boom, mushrooms. So that soup, right now it came up to a boil. You see the bubbles? So we're just gonna put it on a low simmer, keep it warm. Bam, bam. And we're gonna go straight onto that hot pan. Take our mushrooms. Some salt, some sugar, just a little bit. We're gonna caramelize these. And the secret special ingredient, where did it go? Oh yeah, it's over here. Oh, balsamic vinegar. Just like that. This stuff is overpowering if you use too much. And in the meantime, we're gonna prepare our bread. French bread loaf. And we want our piece of bread just like we have here. So we're gonna make an even spreading of butter. We're gonna take the cheese on the sandwich. That is a good amount of cheese right there. These are ready. So we're gonna take this pan off, switch on the cast iron. Just like that. Boom. And now this is the tough part. This is the hard part here. Oh ho ho. And we go straight on the cast iron. Oh, and it worked out. Oh, look at that. It's perfect. Delicious. And that goes perfect That's good. We out. Bam.